everybody, welcome back to your Resident Evil channel. Alright, you guys, as promised, I am doing my awesomecon haul. If you haven't already, go check out my actual experience of the call. I had amazing panels, and if you're a nerd, you're gonna love these panels, so just saying. Alright, so we're gonna start with the stuff that I think I got the very first day. Alright, so this is actually most of the stuff that I got on the first day were gifts. I got the Star Wars 50th Anniversary Edition of Luke. He looks great. This is going to be for my dad. I thought that this would be a really cool gift to give him. He's a huge Star Wars nerd, so I think that'll be fun for him. And I got him like a 50th anniversary for, what is it called? I know what it's called. The Godfather, so I think he'll be happy. Alright, then I got, look, General Kenobi. And then we got, like, what is it? Like, hello there, General Kenobi. I will definitely be recreating this in a TikTok just because I think it'll be hilarious. I literally just, it was only $10. I had to. All right, now this is a second gift. This is for my mom. Her birthday's coming up. So the other one's for Father's Day. It's what is this? I forgot. It glows in the dark, changes. What is this exactly? Hold on, I've got to remember this. The Zodiac. My mom's a huge Zodiac fan. This is the Zodiac that's painting on the Louvre, and we're going to go see the King Tut exhibition. So I think it's the perfect gift for her. I'm excited. I hope she appreciates. It's small because the thing is, my mom does not like hanging things on the wall either. So I'm like, it's small enough that if she wants to hang it, she can, and if she doesn't have to. I think it's a good gift, and it's a unique gift. It's made on actual, like, papyrus from Egypt that they import. So, and I found this at awesomecon, you guys. You know what the only thing was? I wanted to buy myself something, and I forgot to go back. She gave me her card, and so, okay, I'm gonna close this up later because I don't want to ruin this before I gift it to my mom. All right, then, after that, I got a flannel with Sam and Dean Winchester's initials. The flannel is great quality, and I just love that it's got a little nerdum. So not everyone will know that when I'm wearing it, that it's this type of nerdy clothes I like, guys. Like clothes that I'm like inconspicuously nerdy that only those who know, they know. And those who don't, they'll be like, okay. So I'm excited. I got a lot of fall stuff, guys. I'm excited for fall now. Fall will definitely be my nerdy thing. Okay, I got this last year. I just can't stop bragging about this bag. You guys cannot find this bag anywhere, by the way. So, but this is last year's awesomecon bag that I obviously wore. Okay, the next thing I bought. So I'm not into this type of stuff too much, and I think it never hurts, and it was just so cute. It's called. They had. If you're kind of into that type of, it's called the Soul Scent. It also smells good. It's an intention candle that you burn it to give you good vibes and like essentially helps like your, it's gonna sound cheesy, but there's a way, but like to get your dreams come true, manifest your it's manifestation, like, you know, it helps you manifest. So I've never actually done something, and apparently after it burns, the crystals are charged. Again, I'm not super into this, but I'm gonna give it a try. Because I don't know, I feel like I need help manifesting, because lately I've been trying to manifest, and okay. Another thing that I got, which was for a great deal, I got 3 for $60, and so I gave the other two as gifts, is this Pokeball. It's a supercharger. Like, it will charge your phone. The only thing is that if you charge it, I charged this the night before, and it was fully charged, but towards like the middle of the day, I needed to charge my phone, and it was already out of battery. Now it's saying that it's 3 charge. Okay. The guy did say that if it wasn't charging properly, I could just go to him. Okay. So they gave me a card too. So I'm going to look into that. I thought it was already dead. Okay. So I'm going to try charging my phone again with this and see how that goes. But hopefully it works. If it does, I'm going to be ecstatic. If it doesn't, we're going to throw hands. Because it's a Pokeball supercharger. How cool would that be if it actually worked? Okay. What's the other thing I got? That's not something I got. Okay, I got some stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. I'm gonna buy a new laptop soon, so you're gonna be seeing some whimsical stickers on my laptop. We got Goku. We got Ahsoka, obviously, and my gosh, I am so mad at myself because I forgot her name off the top of my head. Starfire? Ooh, fire. Oh. Okay. I know who she is. I loved her in Teen Titans. I forgot her name, okay? So sue me. I'm pretty sure it's Starfire. Like, 90% sure it's Starfire. Okay, that's gonna be... Okay. Oh, a mini Funko Pop. He was the last one. I already have Sam and Dean. I needed Cass. If I could find Crowley, that'd be amazing. A mini one. I don't need the big one. No. Okay. So I have some other stuff in here that aren't. Oh, okay. This is gonna be fun. All right. Now this is one of my favorite things. This is a 3D printed. I forgot I had the name, you guys. I have it. It's not a Tesseract. It's not a Tesseract. It's a. Okay, the real name will be here. I had the name. It was on the tip of my tongue, you guys. I was literally thinking of. But anyways, it's like what Mando pretty much uses it whenever he has like an assignment. This is how they pay him. I've been having my eye on this. It's nicely weighted. It's 3D printed. The paint job, honestly, it looks so cool. That's literally why I got it. It just looks so cool. I'm gonna remember the name when I end this video, and I'm gonna be upset about it. Okay, the next thing I got were Legos. I'll show you guys my Lego house because it looks so cool. All right, I put it on TikTok once. Look, I got the Mandalorian. I already have Baby Yoda, so even though Batman right now is protecting the Baby Yoda, you guys should see like what I have. It's really cool. I got a Rex clone. Look at him, and he has semi sort of Ahsoka painted helmet. Look at him. He is beautiful. Look at the tallies. Honestly, I wanted a Rex clone like action figure, but he was pricey. Oh, Anakin, where are your legs? I have Anakin Skywalker as well. Obviously, these are not actually licensed Legos, but we don't need to talk about that, okay? Okay. Okay, and then we have her lightsaber was coming out. Oh no, her lightsabers are coming off. Okay, well, then we have Ahsoka, a little bit older Ahsoka, and this is exactly who I wanted, so I'm ecstatic. And then finally, we got Wanda, like, dead, like, her life is over, Wanda. I call her that, you know? Modern Family edition of Wanda. So I was happy to get her, too. Honestly, very good. And the worst part was, I went to another, like, what is it called? Like another, because there were two like spots that were selling Legos. I went to the second one. They were also selling great Legos. It was really hard. I was like, I need to resist. All right, now for, I think the second to last thing was I got a River Song journal. This is leather bound. It's so, I love journals, and this one just looks so much like the one the doctor gave her. The only thing was I wanted like old pages in it, you know, like aged pages, but they don't have them. And you guys should smell this. It smells so good. It smells so. I think my favorite purchase of it all. Okay, the last thing I got was a Doctor Who mystery box. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. Okay, so we got. Doctor Who Sonic Screwdriver socks. Very random, but okay. It also turns into a coin bank. We got a Doctor Who micro figure and Doctor Who Renegade. I wonder who we're gonna get. Are we about to get the Master? Oh, please don't let me get the Master. I don't want the Master. Please don't let me get the Master. I don't want the Master. I don't want the Master. I don't want the Master. I'm literally just going like, I don't want the Master. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, we got a necklace in here. Sorry. Oh, it's a Doctor Who necklace. Okay, finally, something good. Okay, because I'm not really into these type of action figures. Wow, they're really keeping this little munchkin a secret from us, aren't they? Okay. Oh, it's an exploding TARDIS. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. I just... Okay. Woo. Now I gotta see this minifigure. I wonder who it's gonna be. If it's David Tennant, I've won this box. If it's David Tennant, I have won this box. Oh my gosh. Why is this so unnecessarily hard? Okay. Oh, he has no pants. Oh my gosh, it's Clara! She has no pants! Is it Clara? Why does she have... Who is this? Oh, it's her skirt. Okay, she really did not have any pants. Okay, it is Clara. Wow. Why would they make it like this? Okay, this is why Lego... Does Lego make Lego has made Doctor Who, I think, right? Didn't they do it once? Wow, they really... I need her head. Wow. Okay. Alright, I got the Impossible Girl. Run, you clever boy. And remember, I would be the one. Yeah, maybe they should just let Lego take care of your minifigures. Okay, there's Clara. She's adorable. Okay, so as you can see, that's my. I also got this cute shirt. Look at it, it's Ahsoka holding Baby Yoda. Now we like Ahsoka, guys. If you guys didn't know, I was not a big fan of Ahsoka because of the Mandalorian. Then I watched Clone Wars. Now we love Ahsoka. And then I have this other shirt, cute in picture. That I also got. They're all from. They're both from Tea Turtle. Okay. Now that's pretty much the end of the AwesomeCon haul. If you would like, you may leave at this point. But I got a second haul. So even though it does seem like I got a lot of stuff from AwesomeCon, I had a bigger budget for AwesomeCon. So I told myself I didn't spend as much as I thought I was gonna spend. I could gift myself some stuff from her universe, which I did. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna start with this one. I think, yeah, because I only ordered 3 things. Okay. Cool. All right. So thing number 1 that I got from her universe, which is also something I've been really wanting, is... Wait a minute. No! I got a kid shirt! Sancho... This is a kid shirt. I thought I got a... That's the difference. That's the... Is this a kid shirt? Is it? It's just a small medium. Okay, because I have her universe shirts before. This is not a small... This is a kid shirt. I got a kid... This is a kid shirt. Because there's no way... Is this a real person shirt? Or did they shrink her sizes? Because, okay, her universe used to, like... I used to have to, like, size down. So, like, I'm a medium. And this is a... I mean, it's a kid shirt. Because this is a kid shirt. How is this... Okay, I might have to return this. No. But I was so excited for the bag! No! And these shirts always run big! Like, what is this? This is a kid shirt, I swear. Oh, okay, it's okay. We love her universe. It's okay. That's was disappointing. Okay, so that was one of the things I gotta wear for fall. Okay. Alright, number 2, second thing I got from her universe. It's a kid shirt. I got the Padme Amidala hoodie and, like, cardigan. It's not a hoodie, but it comes with a hoodie. I'm hearing, like, is it in the sleeves? Okay. Now this, I got the right size. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Literally, so the main reason why I ended up getting the cardigan is because I saw this one girl who was wearing a red dress with the cardigan, and she legitimately looked so much like Padme Amidala in it that I was like, okay, it looks too good to be true. So I got it. I'm excited. I'm literally excited to wear that red dress. I'll let you guys know how that ends up looking. I'm gonna definitely have to do some Padme hair here. All right, and then the last thing I got from her universe. Sorry, I just saw something. Is it a coupon code? $15 off of Hot Topic. Wow, did they ship this from Hot Topic? I bought this from her universe. That's hilarious. Okay, because you know how, like, Hot Topic, when you order from them, they'll send you Topic cash. So I think they use, like, the Hot Topic place. I got the Padme Amidala scarf. I don't even know how to wear this thing. And I don't want to put it on right now because my lipstick is a little bit... But it just looks like, you know, like the one, you know, with the white thing. So I definitely will be cosplaying as Padme Amidala in the whites at some point. I can't tell you exactly when, though. Like, let's not even go into that. But it will happen, and I got the thing ahead of time because her universe be selling out of stuff so fast. You guys, I'm still a little sad about this. Okay, either this is a kid shirt. I swear, you guys. Either this is a kid shirt, or I need to definitely size up. I have to... This is a kid shirt. Okay. But it says, I am no Jedi. Like, how iconic. Okay, now the thing was, literally, I had just bought all this stuff. And then I'm like, okay, she releases this dress. Ashley, how could you do that to me? You can't do these things to me, okay? I was like, I just ordered from you. What? I was so sad. I was like, I just ordered from you. Oh, so now I have to buy that dress too. The things, When will I buy that dress? I can't tell you guys when, but I will. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching your Resident Evil Girl channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul as much as I did. I don't know, I hope I didn't make you guys spend more, because I got some really good stuff. Alright, bye!